Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So Natgas got rejected in our resistance area, which means the levels that are presented to you are still being respected at the moment. Pretty much no change to the scenarios. Only in the last video, end of last week, I mentioned to you that the rally into resistance, even though I know it frustrated some of you, it was just part of the scenario, right? It was not necessarily a prediction to get there, but as long as parameters are being respected, and when you're down here and resistance is up here, then of course the market can move at any point into resistance, right? And it did that and got rejected. So it shows that we are still here on the right track with a scenario that points overall to further to lower prices, especially given that the rally was only in 3 waves. So it was a 3-wave move. I've got here, I haven't labeled it as such, but it is an A, B, C structure, and the C wave even has 5 waves. Now, again, it doesn't mean it doesn't mean we have to go down now. No, well, what I'd like to see now is the next 5-wave move down and the 3-wave rally. Sometimes it's not so clear, but essentially, as long as the price now stays below the Monday 28th of October high. So no, sorry, it's not the Monday high. It's today's high, not it's Friday's high. So as long as we stay below the Friday high, which was located at 258, I'm watching further downside. Now, I explained to you in the last video that this rally is really a little too high, possibly to be part of a downside impulse, even though the whole idea of giving you the 50% retracement area is to understand when an impulse breaks. So it's not broken. So it could technically still be the 3rd wave down. I don't have a reliable micro count, however, for this internal 3rd wave to the downside, but it looks actually quite good as a D wave in a triangle. So let me take you through the 2 scenarios I'm tracking here. Overall, still downside until we get a break above the 3rd of October high that is located at $3.02, because this would invalidate the setup lower. It would invalidate the white count to the downside. It would also invalidate the yellow triangle pattern. Okay, so that is the clear invalidation point. But there is going to be a first warning that things might change, and that is a break above resistance. But as you can see, resistance is being respected. So the next indication that we're actually going down further, confirmation, would be a break below 222. So this swing low from Monday the 21st. Let's talk about the 2 scenarios. So in one scenario, the wave 4 topped here as a flat correction, topped or zigzag even, topped on the 11th of June roughly. That was around $3.20. We saw a 5-wave move down, which I've labeled wave 1 of the next move down. We had a wave 2 corrective rally, and we could now be in the 3rd wave down that should get to 159 or lower. Then another 4-5 pattern, and that would complete wave 5 of 2 of a long-term low. It could be a long-term low. We could be very close to a long-term low. Now, it is also possible, and that's the yellow scenario, that we're going to move a little bit further sideways. A, B, C, D, E is the Elliott wave triangle pattern, and then down. And that is also possible, actually even quite likely. In this case, the 4th wave will end when the triangle ends. So it just means a little bit more sideways action over the coming weeks, maybe even months. And these are the 2 scenarios. Now, what do I need to see to really start to rule out yellow? I would need to see a break below the August low at $1.87. So both pointing in the same direction. Yellow would delay the sell-off a little bit. But 8% down today is pretty much in line with forecast, which suggested that as long as we stay below resistance, we're looking for lower prices. If anything changes, I will let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.